Here I am at the Movenpick. For all you ocean swimmers out there, I just went for a swim from straight out here up to the rocks at Crimson, around the rocks to the beach at Crimson, and then back to here. It was about 13 minutes. I kept going up to the far rocks, up past Shangri-La, then back to Movenpick again, and that took about 28 minutes. So for a bum swimmer like me, that's it's about a K&a-half from the rocks to the rocks, and back to Movenpick is about a K, so about a 20-minute swim for a B grade swimmer. Now I'm just going to have a talk to the lifeguard here. His name's Japet. Japet and Adele. We saw you the other day, Adele. So Japet, with this this time of year, how is this the prevailing breeze?
The Habagat season?
Yeah.
The Habagat season started at June.
So June?
End of June until starting of October.
Okay, so it goes June, July, August, September.
Yeah.
And so that's the prevailing breeze, this breeze coming from the...
In whole year we have two seasons.
Two seasons.
Called Habagat and Amihan.
Okay,
So
Bagat and Mihan.
The
So-
Amihan season is start at end of October until 1st of June.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So is that the equivalent of the rainy season and summer?
Yes.
So they're the, what do you call it, Bagat
Habagat and Amihan.
and Mihan?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that Tagalog or
It's a Tagalog.
Tagalog? Okay, good. And what do you think the water temperature is out there?
It's 28
Feels like about 28 to 30.
degrees Celsius.
It's good.
Yeah.
And does it stay about that temperature most year round? Like in summer, is it
In
same
summer,
temperature or does it get to 30?
29, 30.
29, 30. Yep. And this is obviously the quietest time of the year.
Yes.
Yeah. And Christmas is the busiest time.
Yeah, busiest time. Christmas until June.
Till June.
Yeah.
Yeah. Easter get very busy out here.
Not too bad.
Not too busy.
Yeah, not too busy.
Holy Week.
Holy Week, it's very much busy.
Yeah, very busy. Okay, and how long have you worked here for?
It's almost 3 years.
Yep.
Yes.
And what about Willie, your boss? I talked to him the other day. Is he a good man?
Yes, he's a good man.
Is he a good boss? Is he tough?
Boss, supervisor, lifeguard supervisor. Yeah.
Okay. And how are you today, Adele? A bit busy. You going swimming today? No.
Maybe later.
Adele's going to set the record. Okay, cheers, boys.
Hello, we're still at Movenpick, and towards the right side there's a nice boat coming. Just come, and then they're gonna go some scuba. Some tourists just ride for scuba diving. So this is the pickup point.
I've got the calamansi on the left, Four Seasons in the middle, and a mango smoothie on the right. Living the dream. In the Philippines, they have different coloured flags for different conditions. Today we've got the green flag, and the green flag means, let's check the board. This is the beach hours of operation, 6 AM to 6 PM here. Green means calm conditions, yellow means swim with risk, red, no swimming, purple, dangerous marine life. So hopefully it stays green all the time. Hello, Efren.
yeah.
What are the different coloured flags mean down there?
The color green is means to calm water.
Calm water.
Yeah.
It's a bit bumpy out there.
Yeah, if you want to change yellow flag, we have some big wave.
What it says on the dangerous things in the water, dangerous marine life. What's that?
Like what? Color purple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What dangerous marine life do you have here though?
Like
There's no-
jellyfish.
Oh, the jellyfish. Okay. They have jellyfish here,
Sometimes.
do they? Oh, what type are they? Do you know?
Like sea stick.
Oh yeah. Okay. That's good. Okay, mate. What's the water temperature today? Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
Look at this.
25.
25 degrees. 25 degrees in the air, 27 in the water. Pool temperature 25. Perfect.
Another good day. Another good day in the paradise. It's our last day. Be back to Manila today, so got to enjoy the view for a while. Here I am enjoying the view with this beautiful paradise. See you soon.
G'day viewers. If you like this and found it informative, press the subscribe button below and you'll see more. Cheers.